up, everybody? Let's take a look at gold. We had a massive, massive, massive move Sunday night, last night. It's August 9th, 2021. And I thought I had to come on here and do a video because I'll admit it. I said we were at a bottom here, and boy, was I wrong. So that's the first thing. I would just want to come on here and let y'all know that, that happens. And everybody calls them wrong, especially me sometimes. And this was a massive, we hear a lot of talk about, institutional moves and that kind of thing. And that is exactly what this was. The market doesn't move like that on Sunday night, especially the gold market. So, the first question you got to ask yourself is why did that even happen? And that's a good question. I there's a lot of people that I follow on Twitter that there's of course a lot of speculation, and but the short answer is stops are being taken out before a massive move to the upside. So if gold potentially could be taking out stops before an even larger rally, then what else could happen? So that's the thing you got to ask yourself. So on a technical basis, so this is what happened. We are at this trend line support here. We've been pushing down, making new higher lows, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low. And here we are at the breakdown, taking out all these stops yesterday night. And I already previously had this Fibonacci out here. And in the previous video, if you saw it, I said, man, we are camped out at the 1760 level, 1764, which is right at this 78.6, 86.3. And I said, hey, there's a chance that we go down here and tag this 1740, being this big block here. And, I said, you can't rule it out that we would take on these lows. So here we are. That is exactly what happened. And interesting enough, here's the 161.8, which we pushed past. And now price is stopping on this 127% Fibonacci extension now. So the thing to do, and this was the original arrow. I thought this was before we came down, retested it, but the bounce off that didn't happen. So this is what we're going to have to keep an eye out for. Did we just break down? Are we prepping for this next move lower? Which, man, that would be nuts. So this next level of support though would be coming in here at 1450. So that would be crazy. We're at 1728. That was a massive move. Is this where we're headed? This is just something to ask yourself. And if you're getting too bullish on gold, that's definitely a good question to ask. Now, I've been talking about this in silver forever, since probably, a long time, long time, since we broke out back in here over a year ago. I said, man, if we come across and retest this 19.3 level, that would be amazing, right? So here is this level of support we just retested last night, tagged it, retracing back up. If you had a buy limit, if you got in down here on silver, my hat goes off to you. Amazing trade. If you caught this bottom here in gold, you killed it. Nice trade. Nice job. So, but now the question is, where are we going to retrace to? And then on silver, where are we going to go? And my eyes are on that 19.3 level. So keep an eye on that. It's going to be an interesting lens to watch as we go in the rest of the week, thinking about what's going to be happening with dollar, what's going to be happening with yen. We had some good breakdowns. This was a trade we got in and caught, like almost hit our first take profit, and then kind of started going sideways here. Euro yen, we entered this morning, had a nice push down and kind of retraced a bit. So we're looking at these yen pairs to see if we get this follow through that we're going to be looking for. And there's going to be a big correlation there in gold for sure to keep your eye on. So what a way to start off the week. I hope you stayed safe through that craziness, and hope that's the reason. Anything can happen. You got to manage your risk, put those stops in place. And if you're ready to join us, join our team, click the link below. You know the deal. Click the link below to get started. Click the link in the bio. If you want me to help you, mentor you, and help you get funded, let's make it happen. What are you waiting on? So really trying to figure this out on your own, and trading with your own capital is extremely difficult to do. And that's why the pros go and trade with other firms. They don't save up their own money and they're like, okay, cool, I'm gonna be a pro now, I'm gonna use my own money. No, they actually test, prove they're good enough, and then they have somebody hire them to get them to trade for them, and get them to trade the prop firm's capital. And that's what I want to teach you to do. So if you're interested in that, click the link below, shoot me a message on Telegram, and let's make it happen for you. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the chat room. Peace.